Next station is Petaluma North Station. Every more quiet zone here.
Megan airs that. That's all there is. Have wall. Okay. We're still winning. Oh, darn it.
Arriving at Petaluma North Station. Llegando a la estación norte de Petaluma.
That's why it's not going to that.
We're now arriving at Petaluma North Station.
Oh, darn. Rapid prediction. Oh, what the hell was that kid? Oh, no, the kid got pushed. Bro. That's bullshit. This gives me a perfect expo then. Oh no.
Sorry about those kids cursing, guys.
Why the lecture was always getting held up? Was that long?
I don't ever want to do that when I'm doing a video here in the train.
Watch the gap between the train and the platform. Para su seguridad, tenga cuidado con el espacio entre el tren y la plataforma.
Again.
Thank you for choosing Smart. Gracias por elegir Smart.
Someone joined.
Alright folks, next station stop, Contati.
Wait, is that so snow? I think taking down is the last thing every single time. That's good.
Next station is Contati.
Próxima estación Contati. We're gonna
Thank you for choosing Smart.
I got it.
Gracias por elegir Smart.
Yes, we are going to
Please have your valid fare available for inspection. Tenga su tarifa válida disponible para su inspección.
I got one of those. You can full counter score. We don't need to counter that, bro. We just have to glitch read it.
Next station is Contati. Próxima estación Contati.
Maybe help my like something say skills and like something like that. That would be mad funny. That'd be really funny. Oh, you have to place in the lecture room. No, that image is chalk. Yes, that's it. Last pellet chip. Oh dang it. I got it. Quick shot it, quick trick land from the car. He's gonna expo. Yeah, the 10 roses up. What? No, you got fully prediction.
I don't know what's this right here. Right here. See that?
It's like green color. Oh, that's good. Yeah, actually, they were all pretty,
It's nice how when you're on the smart train, always the design is green.
Look, box it all underrated. They're looking underrated, but they are pretty bad.
I guess we have 25 more minutes to go until I arrive at the Sonoma County Airport Station.
Bro, you had Dark Ops hell of a beat.
What does it do for that? What does it do for that? I guess because it always makes a noise because I think it's flying with brakes to slow down.
Someone got hits. Oh, there you go. Dude.
if there's a battle in this train. Yes, there's a lot of
law. That's what I'm down. What are arrows?
Yes, there is.
Does anyone else getting shivers? I got it.
No, I got it.
That looks sick.
Oh, you don't need that, bro.
Just making sure. Hey guys, overkill isn't this working, so grab it.
Hey guys,
Come on, let's get locked.
we're almost at the potty.
I know. It's locked.
How does this work?
Ooh, hella arrows values.
Oh my god, get out of here.
I got it, but you got it. But this is skilled in.
Oh no!
I got you your first dub, man.
Yes.
So much.
Okay, guys. So we have like 25 minutes to go before arriving at my station, Sonoma County Airport. Next station is Contati, and then the other one is Ronhard Park. I guess more quiet zones here, because no train is blowing the horn. I think only when it's going from Novato San Marin to Petaluma downtown, and then back from Petaluma downtown to Novato San Marin. I think that's the right when the train has to blow the horn.
Imagine electro firecracker. Like those.
Nutty stuff, yeah.
Firecracker though?
No, that would be tough.
Yeah, no, I like the idea. It'd be so uncomfortable. Just like, I think 6 seconds, just like, you can't hear that, just you guys.
That's what I feel. See what they singing. But shift to L, you just missed out on the opportunity of your lifetime.
It won't let me join. Hello. Matchmaking failed. Wait, guys, cancel it. Cancel. Okay, do it again. Was the laboratory dirty? It says matchmaking failed. Wait, like close and
Just letting you guys know, going to 3 is instant win. So if you want to like
Are you guys hearing that baby?
Yeah, bro, no one else hears that, bro. It's just you. It's in your head.
You won't let me join. This is so dumb. I joined
Arriving Contati Station, llegando a la estación Contati.
Alright, folks, here's another train at Contati Station. The smart train card DMUs are 105 and 106.
Did Brendan just go, where are y'all? Brendan just went, where are y'all?
Take a look at it right there.
For your safety, please stand behind the red line on the platform. Para su seguridad, párese detrás de la línea roja en la plataforma.
Let firecracker hit, let firecracker hit.
Oh, you're cooked.
No.
That's good.
You guys are done.
Thank you for choosing smart. Gracias por elegir smart.
Okay, guys, I don't know why that train is parked there. Hopefully,
Next station, Ronhard Park.
hopefully it can go soon.
Ronhard Park.
What was I supposed to do? I did everything I was supposed to.